Hey, Matt here, investments editor at Finder. If you're new to investing or you're just looking for a simple way to grow your savings, you may have heard about micro investing apps. But which one actually makes investing easy without overcomplicating things? There are a few options out there, but they don't all make the process seamless. Some apps promise low fees, but have limited features. Others offer plenty of tools, but are overwhelming for beginners. One app that's built specifically for casual and beginner investors is Acorns. Today, I'm going to review Acorns, break down how it works, its costs, its features, so you can see if this platform is right for you. Let's dive in. So Acorns is a micro investing platform and robo-advisor designed to make investing automatic and simple. One of its key features is that it rounds up your everyday purchases from your Acorns debit card to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's a type of set it and forget it investing with broader banking features. Founded in 2012, in California, Acorns has millions of users in the US and has expanded its offerings to include retirement accounts, investing accounts for kids, and educational resources for investors. It partners with top financial institutions and follows strict US regulations so your funds and your personal information are protected. With Acorns, your investments are in ETFs across different asset classes from stocks to bonds. They have several portfolio options ranging from conservative to aggressive depending on your risk tolerance. This won't be anything new if you're familiar with robo-advisors. But instead of an assets under management fee, like many robos, Acorns charges a flat monthly subscription. The basic tier, Acorns Bronze, which is $3 per month, comes with an investing account, a retirement account, and an earning account. $6 per month for Acorns Silver, which comes with a 3.35% APY on savings as of December 2025, a 1% IRA match, a bonus investment match, and more perks. And then there's Acorns Gold for $12 per month, which comes with a 3% IRA match, an investment account for kids with a 1% match, and customizable portfolios, which lets you add individual stocks and ETFs, plus more perks. That flat fee can be very cost effective if your account balance is large, but for smaller accounts, it can feel high, especially compared to other robos that charge a small percentage of assets. So how does that stack up against the typical 0.25% annual fee charged by most robo-advisors? Let's break that down. So on a small account balance like $1,000, a $3 monthly fee, be about $36 per year, works out to around 0.36% of your assets, so higher than that 0.25 AUM fee. As your balance grows, that flat fee becomes a much smaller percentage of your portfolio. Around $14,400 in assets, a $36 annual fee roughly matches that 0.25% AUM fee, and above that, it becomes cheaper. For even larger balances, say around $20,000 per year, the Acorns fee is noticeably lower than the 0.25% per year, which means Acorns can be more cost efficient than a typical robo-advisor. So if you're just getting started with a small balance, other robo-advisors that charge that 0.25% might cost you less. But as your portfolio grows into that mid five figures and beyond, Acorns' fixed model can be a better deal than paying a percentage-based management fee. Acorns is designed for automation and simplicity. Key features include roundups. Every purchase is rounded to the nearest dollar and the spare change is invested automatically. Recurring investments, set daily, weekly, or monthly contributions. Bonus investments, shopping at partner brands gets you bonus investments. Retirement accounts, open an IRA and have your contributions automatically invested. Banking with Acorns, get access to savings and checking accounts. Acorns Money Manager automatically splits your money across investing, saving, and spending. In custom portfolios, add individual stocks and ETFs to your portfolio when you subscribe to Acorns Gold. Acorns doesn't allow you to pick individual stocks and ETFs unless you have that gold plan. This is perfect for hands-off investors, but it limits flexibility for those who want to choose their own investments at a lower price point. It also has a bunch of educational resources helping beginners learn about investing without being overwhelmed. So what kinds of accounts can you open with Acorns? First, you get a standard individual taxable investing account, which is where most people start. You can also open a traditional and Roth IRA, making Acorns a solid option if you want to invest in a tax-advantaged way for retirement without having to manage everything yourself. Beyond investing, Acorns also offers a checking and savings account complete with a debit card so you can manage day-to-day spending and investing all in one place. Acorns Gold also comes with an investment account for kids, which lets you set aside money for your child's future while also keeping control of the account. Altogether, Acorns covers most of the account types that beginner investors are looking for. Turning to customer support, Acorns offers email support in-app messaging, available 24/7, phone support. Acorns Chat is first a bot, which you can then escalate to a human if needed. While Acorns is great for beginners and hands-off investing, there are a few drawbacks to keep in mind. First, flat fees can be high for small balances. If you're just starting with a few $100s, that $3 to $12 monthly subscription fee can add up to more than that 0.25% you'll pay with a typical robo-advisor. Second, it's got limited investment options. You can't pick individual stocks or ETFs without the gold plan. Your money is invested only in ETFs that Acorns chooses, which may not satisfy more experienced investors. Third, it's got no advanced trading tools. This is not a platform for active traders or anyone looking to analyze individual stocks in depth. And last, a kids account and those premium features are reserved for that gold subscription tier. Overall, Acorns is excellent for automated, beginner-friendly investing, but may not be the best choice if you want low-cost options for very small accounts, full control over your investing, or advanced trading tools. So how does Acorns stack up against the competition? Compared to Stash, both focus on beginner investors. The Stash allows picking individual stocks in all pricing tiers, including Stash Starter at $3 per month. On the other hand, Stash limits IRAs to its Stash Plus plan at $12 per month, whereas Acorns offers it across all tiers. Versus Robinhood, Robinhood is better for active traders and stock picking. Robinhood's managed portfolios include human expertise and management for 0.25% AUM. And lastly, Acorns wins for simplicity, automated investing, and teaching beginners good savings habits. So to wrap up, who is Acorns best for? 1, beginner or casual investors who want a hands-off investing approach. People who want to save and invest automatically without thinking too much. And lastly, anyone looking to combine banking, investing, and retirement in one app. It's not the best choice if you want advanced trading tools or for managing a smaller portfolio with very few fees. Let me know in the comments if you've used Acorns or you have any questions. If you're ready to try Acorns, we'll put a link in the description so you can sign up. And if this review helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on trading tips, market news, and broker comparisons. And don't forget to subscribe to get our free market briefing newsletter for the top market stories before the bell.